Jai Mata Di to all of you. Ma Bhagavati, fulfill all your dreams. Are you surrounded by failures even after working hard? Despite your millions of effort, you are not able to fulfill the aspirations of life. So stay a little and think, are you working hard in the right direction or not? Because if you want the right result, then your effort should be in right direction. I will try to understand this with a short story. Once upon a time, there was a gardener and his son. Both lived together in a village. The gardener has a beautiful garden and he used to work in that garden all day. In his garden, different type of flowers spread their fragrance and he was always absorbed in them. Life was coming out like this. But one day, the gardener suddenly got sick. When he showed it to the doctor gave medicine and told the gardener that you need complete rest. Don't any work at all. Anyway, the gardener condition, he was not in a position to do anything work. But who will see his garden in his sickness? This worry made him more upset. In such a situation, his son said, Father, don't worry. As long as your health is not right, I will take care of the garden. Hearing this, the father's worry was relieved and then he took medicine and went home to rest. And while going, he said to his son, Son, water the plant well, garden should not dry. Son said, Why does you worry? I will take care of this garden more than you. Don't treat me as a little baby, I'm not a child. Like this, his day spent in the garden, and on the other hand, with the passing of the day, the condition of the father also starting recovering. He thought, let's see how my son is handling the garden. But as soon as he reached the garden, he saw that his entire garden has dried up. The gardener caught his head at the same time and said, Oh stupid, what have you done? You have destroyed my entire garden. Son said, Father, it is not my fault. I poured water on each leaf. Water was applying to each leaf, but even then it dried up. The father said, that foolish, water has to be poured on the root, not on the leaf. If you add water to the root, it is automatically added to these leaves. You also doubled the hard work by applying water to the leaves. Nothing else was achieved. The entire garden was destroyed. And the same thing happens in our life too. We keep starting at the faces of the other to achieve our goals. That someone will help us, therefore, we never know what the potential is. The scent is hidden inside you. We ourselves, the scent is hidden inside you. We ourselves are the root. We are the root yourself. So give yourself time to get to know yourself. Do not linger. Otherwise, you will never know your ability. Only you will be lost in others. Do not follow anyone in life. Either follow along or lead by moving forward. Either follow along or lead by moving forward. Only then will flowers bloom in the garden of life. And if you still do not understand, then you will destroy your beautiful life. So look inside you and dwelt by ability, by knowing them, and enjoy the whole world with your light and fragrance, because this world is waiting for you only, my dear.